Hello, my dear students. So today I have brought to you a topic, as you can see on the board there, that is nouns. Actually, nouns are naming words. They are naming words. They name anything, any place, any person, or any river, any animals, any birds. They actually name. They are names. For example, what I call this, I call this a duster. So its name is duster. So duster is a noun. What I call this? I call this a marker. So marker is a noun. What I call this? This is a board. Whiteboard. So whiteboard is a noun. So what we call something, that name is a noun to that thing. Okay. Suppose I call this board a whiteboard. So whiteboard is a name. These are nouns. So let's see the definition. A noun is a naming word. It may name a person, it may name a person, it may name a place, animals, birds, rivers, and anything. In fact, it may name anything. Okay, it is written here, in fact, by what name we call someone or something is a noun. Suppose you call me DJ sir, isn't it? You call me DJ sir. So DJ sir is a noun. Yes or no? I call you students. So students is a noun. Yes or no? So you see, these are some examples. In the examples, we will find out the nouns first. The Brahmaputra is a big river. Here, I have found one name. This is a name of a river. But river is also a noun. Why river is also a noun? If I don't know the name of that river, then I call it a river. I will not tell its proper name, but I will call it a river. So river is also a noun, Brahmaputra is also a noun. Next, I live in Assam. Assam is a noun. It's a name. Next one, the house is made of stones. Here house is a noun because it's a shelter. It's the name of a shelter that we live in. That is a noun. And stones. Stones are hard objects, we know. So this is also a name, and house and stones are naming also nouns. Next, honesty wins always. Here, honesty. Honesty is noun. How honesty is a noun? Suppose I have a quality and the name of that quality is honesty. The name of that quality is honesty. In this sense, honesty is a name of a quality. So name of anything may be a noun. Na? So name of a quality is also a noun. So here honesty is also a noun. Next we will learn the kinds of nouns. Basically I will discuss here three kinds of nouns. Three kinds of nouns, and they are proper noun, common noun, and collective nouns. Okay students, next we will tell you the kinds of nouns. We will discuss kinds of nouns. Basically, I will discuss here three kinds of nouns, and they are proper, common, and collective noun, as I already told you. Let me go into detail of proper noun, common noun, and collective noun. Okay, proper nouns are special name. Suppose, what is my special name? My special name is Dhanjoti Bhuya. So Dhanjoti Bhuya is a proper name. But I am a teacher. Teacher is a common name because everybody knows that I am a teacher. So teacher is a common name, and my special name is my proper name. That is common and proper. And collective nouns. Collective nouns are group nouns, like a flock of birds, a group of boys. So group, flock, herd. These are collection, groups. So group nouns are called collective nouns. Let's see these three examples and understand better. Raju is a good boy. Here, Raju is a noun and boy is a noun. There are two nouns. Raju is the special name of that boy. So the special name is called proper noun. It is a proper noun. You can see proper noun. Raju is a proper noun here. But boy is not special name of anybody. What is your, if somebody asks you, what is your name? Will you say, my name is boy? No, na? So boy is not a special name. Boy is a common name. Boy is a common name. Next one, the Brahmaputra is a big river. Here also we find two names, Brahmaputra and river. Brahmaputra is the special name of that river. So Brahmaputra is a proper name. Brahmaputra is a proper name, like Raju. But river, if I say river, river may be any river. It is not a special name. It is common. It's general name of a river. River is a general name. So it is common noun. We can say C for common noun and it is P for proper noun. Next one you see, I saw a flock of birds over a herd of cows. Suppose here are the herd of cows and over the herd of cows there is a flock of birds. Flock means group, herd means also group. So here we get nouns flock and herd. These two nouns, these two flock and herd, these two nouns represent a group. So they are called collective, means collection. They are collection. So they are called collective nouns. Flock and herd are called collective nouns because they represent a group nouns. But some other nouns are also here, birds and cows. Then what are birds and cows? Are birds and cows special names? No, birds and cows are not special. If somebody tells you that this is a bird, is it the special name of that bird? No, that means it is bird is a common noun. Bird is a common noun. And cows also. If somebody says that this is a cow, is it the special name of that cow? No, this is a common name. So cow is also a common name. So I hope you have understood this whole thing. There are three kinds of nouns: proper, common and collective. And proper nouns are special names of anything and common nouns are general names. Okay, and collective nouns are groups, group words or group nouns. So students, let's next proceed to nouns number. There are two kinds of numbers, singular number and plural number. And singular number means one thing, one person, one people, one bird, one animal, only one. And plural number means more than one. It may be two, it may be three, it may be four, more than one. That is plural number. See the board, I have written here singular and that side plural number. Like bird is the singular number, birds plural number. So what is the difference between bird and birds? S is added when it is made plural. Okay. Next one, box, boxes. So box is singular and boxes is plural. What is the difference? Es is added to the word box and it is made plural in this way. Next, army, armies. So army is singular and armies is plural. What is the difference? In place of Y, IES is there. That is the difference. In this way it is made plural. Next one, boy, boys. S is added here to make a plural. Next, calf and calves. Calf is singular but calves is plural. And what is the difference? In place of F there is VES. That is the difference. Next, hero, heroes. So after O here is added ES and made plural. So you can see here the plurals are the made forms of singular numbers, and they are made in different forms by adding S, by adding ES, by adding IES, by adding S as I already told you, by adding VES, by adding ES, all these things. Okay, so one by one, when to add S, when to add ES, IES, S, VES or ES, everything like this I am going to explain on this board. Okay, so you just attend the class till the end. Okay, so let me explain the first rule of making plural. Making plural. Firstly, by adding S to the main word, or you can say main noun. That is, for example, bird. How can you make plural of this? By adding s. So it is birds. Okay, this is complete by adding s. Next one, by adding es to the noun. By adding es to the noun. If the last letter of the noun is, if the last letter of the noun is H, S, O, X, C, H, Z. Okay? If the last letter belongs to any one of this list, then we should add es, not as, es, to make it plural. For example, I give one here. It is mango. Mango. How can you make plural? Mango. O is the last letter and O is in this list. So we should add es. Mangoes. Mangoes. Okay? This is. Next one. This is called number 3 Y rule. I call it Y rule. Y rule means last letter Y. Last letter Y rule. This is called last letter Y rule. It has two rules. If the last letter of the noun is Y and a vowel is before it. Vowel is before it, means before Y. Then add S. But if there is a consonant, before the last letter Y, then add es. Okay, I give you one example for this. These two, s or es with y. This is called Y rule. You see here, B-O-Y, boy. See, first of all, Y is the last letter. According to the rule we are going, Y is the last letter. But before Y, is there any vowel? Yes, O. O is a vowel. There are 5 vowels. We should know. A, E, I, O, U. These are vowels. So before Y, there is a vowel. And if there is a vowel before Y, we should add only S. So B-O-Y-S. Okay. Now another example I am going to give you. For example, last letter Y and there should be a consonant before it. You think one, but I give you one here. For example, try. Try is a verb also, but try is a noun also. So in this sense, I am taking the word try. So try, Y is the last letter. Y is the last letter. But before Y, is there any vowel this time? It is not a vowel, it is a consonant. So if there is a consonant before the last letter Y, then add es. That means you have to add es here. So TR, and in place of Y, you have to add IES. Add IES here, not ES, add IES. Okay? Add IES. In place of Y. You can write it down. In place of Y. So, this is the rule. Okay, if you want, let me give some other examples of this rule. For example, I give you fly. Fly. F-L-I-E-S. Is it right? Yes, it is right. Y is the last letter and before Y there is a consonant. So if there is a consonant means no vowel, in place of Y, I-E-S comes. Okay. Next, play. Plays. Don't think that these are verbs here. These are nouns. In sense of nouns, I have taken this. Okay. Fly is a noun and play is a noun. Okay. In this sense, I have taken this. Otherwise, play and fly, these are verbs. You all know. But they are nouns also. And in their noun sense, I have taken it for example. So this is Y rule. So next we are going to the rule number 4. We are going to discuss the rule number 4. In rule number 4, it is written nouns ending in F or FE. You see nouns ending in F means last letter of the noun is F or FE. Then it replaces VES. In place of F or FE at the last, VES comes to make a plural. You see here CALF, calf. So what is the plural? CALVES. That means F is replaced with VES here. Here knife, 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 FE is replaced with VES, knives, and made plural. So if there is F or FE at the last of the noun, then VES is replaced. But there are some idiot nouns. They don't follow rules. These are called idiot nouns, and these are chief, roof, and proof. F is there at the last, but they don't replace VES, but they will take S. So chief, chips, simply S. Roof, roofs, proof, proofs, but here cup, cups, VES. Knife, knives. So this is the difference. Next rule, rule number 5 here. Some nouns ending in O does not obey rule and they take S. I told you that the nouns ending in H, S, X, O, CH, SH, they take ES. But here, some nouns, some idiot nouns are there, they don't follow the rule of O. And they take only S to make plural, no ES. So these nouns are photo, piano, radio. Like photo, photos, only S. But mango, mangoes, ES. Because mango follows the rule. But photo, piano and radio, these three are idiots. They don't follow rules. So they don't use ES. They use only S. Okay. Next, some nouns don't change in plural. Some nouns, they look like as they are in singular, same in plural also. Like aircraft is singular also, plural also. Ship singular also, plural also. Deer singular and plural. Fish singular and plural. Furniture singular and plural. News singular and plural. So these 6 are basics, and there are some other irregular nouns. They have generally no rules. But I am providing you some important nouns and giving you some words, some noun words, how to make plural of those irregular nouns on the board. Let's see. Students, the irregular nouns are here on the board, as you can see. Please see, like child, children, ox, oxen, mouse, mice, man, men. Only E is the change here. Woman, women, foot, feet, tooth, teeth, goose, geese. So this is irregular manner of plural formation. Some nouns always in plural forms, and you see this, they are scissors, trousers, spectacles and socks. And some nouns are always in singular form. I have not written here. I will tell you and you have to remember. That is furniture and news. Okay. So this is the basic of nouns. So today what we have learned, we have basically learned what a noun is. A noun is a naming word. It may name anything. Next we have learned what are the kinds of a noun. There are three kinds of nouns we have learned. Actually, there are more kinds of nouns, but we need till now three kinds. So I have learned three kinds. And they are proper nouns, common nouns, and collective nouns. Proper nouns are special names, common nouns are general names, and collective nouns are group names. Then we have learned nouns numbers. There are two types of numbers, singular number and plural number. Singular number means one and plural number means more than one, 1, 2, 3. And from singular number, how we can make plural numbers, we have also learned here through these rules, through these manners. Okay, so I hope you have understood it properly, and thank you very much for attentively watching my video.